Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mezi and I make planty contents. In today's video, I will be doing an IKEA haul, majorly related to gardening items and some decor pieces here and there, and one or two household utility stuffs. So without any further ado, let's begin the IKEA haul. So recently my friend got me this pots from IKEA. She went to the Hyderabad store and she got me this beautiful IKEA pot, so I have included this in my IKEA haul. And this grey one, it is known as Nippon. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, it does not have drainage holes and the quality is quite good. Those are very sturdy pots, and yeah, two of the white pots and I got two of the grey ones. I left one with my mom and I have three here. I'm planning to use leca balls in this pot, so let's see. I will be doing a repotting video soon, so you can check the video then. And this is another shelf that I got from IKEA. It's called as Heelys or Heelys, and I got three of this parka storage bags for my blankets, and I will be storing my unused blankets in these bags. And since it's translucent and it has a zipper, I quite like it and the quality is quite decent. So these are the parka bags. This is IKEA Lerboda. I've already unpacked and I've done a small DIY here. I actually made a video, I think some time back, and I've uploaded it on my channel, so if you're interested, I'll put the link in the description box. And yeah, this is another one. This is also known as IKEA Lerboda frame, and I have done a DIY on this as well, a pressed flower art, and it looks very sleek and very minimalist, and I like both the frames. One you can actually hang it, and this one you can just place it on a shelf or a table. And this is the Heelys shelf that I got for my succulents, and I've placed it on my balcony. And with that, my IKEA haul comes to an end. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel for more such contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.